Hi mask makers! I wanted to share with you the latest masks that I've been making. I've tried my hand at a lot of different masks and they're great designs, but I'm always looking for something easier and that uses less fabric. Especially when you're trying to mass produce, these two things can be really helpful. And with the warm summer temperatures coming in, it's nice to be able to have a mask that offers protection but doesn't feel suffocating or too warm. And the mask that I've been making lately is just this kind of modified version from the mask that I've been making out of Jennifer Maker's design. I've also tried my hand at the Olsen mask but can't seem to get it, so I wanted to take some of the features that I liked and bring it into a little bit of an easier mask. So this is what I've come up with. It uses 4 pieces of material. Very easy to cut, very easy to sew, and it also offers a filter pocket. I also like this because it has super easy tunnels to either use your twill tape in or you can use elastic ties in. I don't happen to have elastic, so I am actually using twill tape as my ear loops, and it's been working pretty well. If it shrinks in the dryer after you wash it, I find you can just undo the knot, redo it to size, and voila, great mask. So again, 4 pieces of fabric, front and back, with your little pocket. It's breathable, but it does have those 2 layers of fabric as been recommended for protection. And it has that pocket filter, so if you want a little bit more, it's always an option. I also like adding a nose bridge wire to my masks, just so it gives it a little bit of a better fit, but I do think this mask works really well even without the nose bridge. So here we go.